Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect egg eyes. First, select a good non-stick pan, about 8 inches in diameter, to prevent sticking. Add a small pat of butter or a teaspoon of oil to the pan. Gently heat the pan over medium-low heat. This ensures even cooking and prevents the egg from burning. A properly heated pan is key for a beautiful, sunny side-up egg. Now, let's crack the egg. Gently tap the egg on a flat surface, not the rim of the pan, to avoid shell fragments. Carefully open the shell directly over your preheated pan, allowing the egg to slide in smoothly. Be sure to keep the yolk intact. A broken yolk means no eye. This step requires a steady hand for that classic look. Once the egg is in the pan, cook it on medium-low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. For a slightly firmer white without flipping, you can cover the pan for the last minute of cooking. This creates a gentle steam. Keep an eye on the whites. They should be set and opaque, while the yolk remains beautifully runny and bright yellow. Your perfect egg eye is ready. Gently slide the cooked egg from the pan onto your plate using a thin spatula. Season it lightly with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavor. Serve your delicious egg eye immediately, perhaps alongside toast or avocado for a delightful breakfast or brunch. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.